21 Best IKEA Ivar Storage Hacks. You don't have to forfeit beauty when maximizing utility. This hack by Antonia at Craftafair combines two IKEA Ivar cabinets to create a chic credenza. If your small space is seriously short on storage, this IKEA Ivar hack by Becky from Inferently Creative will solve your problem. She used 15 Ivar cabinets to fake built-in cabinetry. After painting them white, she upgraded the doors with stainless steel bar pulls. Make entertaining in a small space a cinch with this IKEA hack. Katarina from Sweet Magnolia transformed a couple of Ivar cabinets into a bar ready to party. After painting her new creation blue, she added a couple of sets of glitzy, gold furniture legs. Little Miss Fix-It, at Rumhemma, figured out an ingenious way to create this fish scale pattern on her IKEA cabinet. Add some stylish storage to any room in your home with this project by Sophie Reed at No. Her space-deprived makeover includes leather cabinet pulls and purple paint. Love wood grain? Here's an idea that shows it off with color. Use white milk paint and blue dye stain to magnify the IVAR's natural beauty. Dye stain is unlike traditional wood stain in that it is made up of mostly organic materials. Also, most dye stains are relatively goof-proof to use. Just apply to unfinished wood and let dry. To intensify the color, add another coat. Remodeling a tiny kitchen to gain more storage space can be a pricey endeavor. Mike from the Fresh Exchange has an inexpensive solution. This Ivar hack creates more room for kitchen stuff on an unused wall. Nothing is quite as dramatic as a monochromatic color scheme. This project by Sadelin refashions two modest Ivar cabinets into a chic credenza. The folks at Forge Studio know that when it comes to giving inexpensive furniture a high-end new look, never skimp on the hardware. For instance, their hack uses brass cabinet pulls to transform a painted Ivar into a beautiful wall unit. Maiju Saha from Maiju Saw turned an Ivar cabinet into an elegant storage solution for her baby's nursery. The furniture in this Scandinavian dining room only looks expensive. Rebecca Center from the Swedish lifestyle blog Homespo gave her unfinished wood chairs and plywood Ivar cabinets a fancy new look with black and gray paint. This artistic project by Lisa Tills at We Are Scout turns a couple of Ivar cabinets into an insanely chic bedroom sideboard. This gorgeous hack combines decoupage with chalk paint. Cheer up a sad entryway with this colorful storage hack by Vera Lenting at Nor Sweetie. She brightened up her dull foyer with 3 vibrantly painted Ivar cabinets. The stylists at IKEA Labs say the best way to enhance your Ivar system is by turning it into a piece of art. This project proves their point by transforming storage cabinets into an abstract mural. When Jamie Serp ditched her laptop for a desktop, she created a problem. Because she didn't have a desk, not to mention a home office, her new computer took over the kitchen table. Besides painting or staining, one of the easiest ways you can turn an Ivar wall cabinet into a brand new piece of furniture is by adding a set of attention-getting legs. This project by Annelies Vermeulen at Alahapa is an adorable example. Dutch blogger, Carina Ligthert from YDEAS, created a fleet of double-duty storage tables for her office and added caster wheels to the Ivar cabinets. This colorful hack by illustrator Marie Williamson is pure child's play. Before painting the 2 Ivar cabinets, she mapped out her design with painter's tape. Stylist Emily Henderson from Style by Emily Henderson says her Ivar storage unit looks way better painted. She got the job done with a chalky finish paint in a shade that resembles washed denim. You don't have to break out the paint or wood stain to give an IKEA Ivar a brand new look. Vera from Paul's Vera customized her cabinets using bronze washi tape. Her freehand design only took minutes to create. 3 Ikea Ivar units create gobs of storage space for a space-deprived apartment. This detailed tutorial by The Wall Whisper shares tricks for painting and installing it. To make the top of the units easier to clean, you can top the cabinets off with a sheet of glass. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.